Hello, this is Teacher Nan and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share several classroom activities after Christmas and New Year vacation. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, ay huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod kong uploads.